Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and another question today that came through a email about the BitLocker encryption in Windows 11. He's got a new PC, and that new PC, when he set it up from scratch, encrypted the drive, so BitLocker is active. And it's something that for him is useless, and he's afraid that if some Windows update or some update of some sort goes bad, that he'll have to find that recovery key and maybe lose data. And overall, he's like, well, I'm just a standard home user that doesn't do anything much. Why should my drive be encrypted? So the idea behind encryption, it's not that it's that bad. The problem with that encryption is nobody knows about it because they don't tell you, and nobody knows how to recover because it's the way Microsoft is so stupid sometimes in not being able to, explain and work with the real world people of Windows. So anyone out there that has BitLocker on, you can easily turn it off. You simply go to your settings in Windows 11. In the settings, you will go into privacy and security. Here you have a tab called Device Encryption. Click here, and you'll immediately know if you're encrypted or not. You will have a slider here that is either on or off. So this means that if it's on, you're by default being encrypted when you shut down your PC, and it's decrypted when you turn it on. And so that can actually induce performance issues in some people with slower PCs. So just put the slider at off and it should work. Now, if putting the slider at off in some cases triggers a recovery key, your recovery key is in your Microsoft account, because when you actually have a BitLocker encryption on, it also means you have a Microsoft account, and that's where you need to find it. So how to find it? And the same page that you're here, there's a link, find your BitLocker recovery key. Click there, it's going to bring you to your Microsoft account. You're going to sign in, and it's going to show you where the the BitLocker recovery key is located in your Microsoft account. And once that is off and everything's fine, you won't have any problems about encryption, about problems happening. It should be fine. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.